That is not good.
What's happening?
Oh no. I'm scared I'm gonna get struck by lightning. Oh,
what?
That gutter is clogged up, but I don't know why. God. Welcome back to the Toy Barn Homestead, guys. What's going on? So this week, it has rained non-stop. I am not kidding. It has been nothing but rain. So we found some problems. Our gutter, I patched it together so long ago, and it's just been fine. But it finally blew apart, and I'll throw a clip in here where it was just falling down everywhere. So we're gonna get that fixed this week. Yeah, I got rained out at work, and I didn't get barely anything done. So we're gonna try to get some stuff done this weekend now that the rain is hopefully over. So the plan, I just went and picked up a blue food grade 55-gallon barrel. We're going to fix the gutter and divert some water into that barrel. That way we have some water stored away if the power goes out, or if our well pump breaks or something like that. This is just the beginning of our water storage. But 55 gallons, that'll flush the toilets for a couple of days if the power's out. So that's the project for the week. We're gonna work on that, and maybe we will start taking the gutters off of the house. Our upcoming soon project, I don't know when I'm gonna get to it, but we are gonna repaint the entire outside of our house, and we need to put all new trim boards all over the whole thing. So there'll be a lot of wood getting taken off and being replaced, and then we're going to repaint the whole house. So that is coming. I don't know when that will be, but it's soon. But for now, we're going to get some water storage on the homestead. So let's do it. So here's the old junky drain spout. All this we're gonna take out, and right where it's cut already, we're gonna put a rain barrel over here, hopefully. Oh man, I just found a leak in my shed. I hate the rain, man. I hate the rain. I'm working on my rain barrel, and there is the culprit. I guess I need to put a new roof on the shed. So everything needs a new roof around here. Damn. Trying to figure out where to put the spout, how to keep bugs out of here. So we want to put a spigot down at the bottom. That way we can get the water out, obviously, but I want to keep it clean. Keep bugs and leaves and stuff out of there, so we need to filter it. And we gotta attach that spigot. I'm just realizing I don't have a spigot to put on the bottom of the rain barrel, so off we go back to the store. We gotta get a spigot and hopefully nothing else, so let's do it. This is why my truck is so muddy all the time. Look at my driveway, man. Look at my damn truck, man. The rain, it's so bad. Look at this. Okay, so the rain barrel needs spigot. so we can get the water out. And then I got this, it has a rubber grommet on the inside that hopefully will, I mean, it should make a good enough connection. And not, as long as I drill the hole the proper size, this should work. I have no idea. Our local hardware store has basically nothing. This was the only hose bib that I could find there, and one of the only connectors that I could find that had a rubber grommet. So this is what we're using. We're gonna find out if it works. If it leaks, we'll find a new way. I haven't even told Liv that the shed is leaking. I just remembered. Dude, we need shingles on the house. We probably need a whole new roof on the house. And now we need shingles on the shed. So, we have lots of work coming, which means more videos, so that's cool. Let's get to the rain barrel finally. All right, so here's the plan. We're gonna drill a hole. We're gonna put this in somewhere like that. That's step one. Damn it, man, I got poop. That is dog poop. Freaking dog poop on my leg. What the heck, man? I knew I smelled it, I knew I stepped in it, and then I brushed my boot against my leg. Poop. But I had the wrong shank, so we're gonna do it old redneck style. This isn't big enough, but we'll wallow out the hole until it is. At least that's the plan. That's gonna leak. Oh no. I don't know how that's not gonna leak. Okay. All right, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut out a piece here. Cut all this out so that this thing can dump the water in. So that will connect to the gutter. That will go here. And we'll just cut a square and we're gonna put some kind of filter on there. Like for now, we'll put a piece of screen. Just to stop everything from coming through. And we're gonna cut it out with this vibrating saw. So let's do it. Alright, well here's the hole. And I just realized I should have put this on the opposite side of the hose bib. But, it doesn't matter, man. It doesn't matter. It'll be alright. It's not perfect, but it's the first one, and you gotta learn somehow. I like to just wing it and just do it whatever comes to my mind, and usually I screw up, and then learn something, and then the next time I do it's a little better. So I've done rain catchment once before with trash cans, and I knew nothing about what I was doing, and it ended up tearing it down because it didn't work. But this one will work, I think. If not, we'll redo it again. just gonna use these screws that kind of have a bit of a washer on the end that I just had laying around to secure the screen. I'm sure it will rip, but it's just a screen. We'll try this out, see how sturdy it is. All right. There's that. So that should keep mostly things from getting in there. I mean, it's not perfect, but it will do. Okay, so now we need to work on getting the water into the barrel. So we're gonna go take the barrel over. We need to level out the ground or put some blocks down or something to keep it from falling over. And then we'll route the gutter into there. And yeah, so we just use whatever we can that we have laying around. We don't go buying a bunch of extra things because I just want to do it, recycle the crap really that I have laying around. So we just try to use whatever we can and repurpose. I did pay way too much for the barrel, but we make mistakes, right? But yeah, let's get the barrel over there. Let's put some blocks down or something, get the ground level and get this thing set up.
Slow down, mama, why you talk so mean? Good Lord, Nashville, it ain't what it seems. Got nice clothes and late night shows, boogie down at the bar, fiddle tunes and homemade booze, but it always goes too far. Shooting pool, crack a jack, take off now and don't look back, but hey, don't you wanna play? Hold on, sugar, why you look so sad? Come on now, mama, ain't nothing here so bad. You got a fast car.
All right, so in the theme of, you know, sustainability, being prepared, I got another one of these things for this side of the house where, let me flip the camera around and show you. So over here, the plan is to, like right here, we're gonna build a little platform for a big water container, and we're gonna get rainwater off of this with this bad boy. We're gonna intercept that and fill up a huge container here that we'll be able to water our trees, our garden, our other gardens over there, and we'll be able to use that water for just about anything. Like I said, the reason we're so interested in this, catching rainwater, is because, guys, if the power's out, your toilets don't flush. The well pump is not gonna run. You're not gonna have water. It's just the way it is. And even if your generator, you know, your well pump draws a lot of power. So, and if you can't get gas for your generator, or your generator's too small to run your pump, this is a relatively inexpensive way to have some water reserve. That 55 gallons, that'll flush your toilet a good couple times, you know? And, you know, if we have a couple 100 gallons over here like I'm planning, we won't have to worry for multiple days. So that's the plan, and that's what we're doing. So you'll see, I think we're gonna get an IBC tote and put it up there. Maybe something bigger than that, I don't know. I'd like to have millions and millions of gallons of water in reserve, but we can't do that. At least not yet. You'll see that in a future video. I'm excited to do it because it's going to be pretty cool to have that kind of rain catchment and just know, no matter what, I have X amount of gallons that aren't going to go away. So that's coming soon. So something else I just wanted to quickly go over. This is food grade plastic, but because we've cut holes in it and it has opportunity for bugs and other crap to get in there, it's not necessarily ready to drink. You know, it's coming off of the roof. Your roof has a bunch of crap on it, bird crap, all kinds of dirt and acid rain and whatever, you know, you don't know. So you always need to boil this water before you drink it. But it's fine to water your plants with. It's fine. It's rainwater, baby. It's fine for everything, but don't just drink it straight out of the thing. And if you do, don't blame me if you get sick. And I'm gonna tell you guys right now, that is gonna leak. I know it's gonna leak, so I just ordered a new one on Amazon, the correct thing. So really, I costed myself $10, and hopefully I save you $10, because waiting to get the right thing, the right tool, the right piece for the job is way smarter than trying to just rig it up. Because now that I've rigged that up, I know it's gonna leak. I haven't tested it yet, but I know it's gonna leak, and it's just not gonna be sturdy enough. So I just ordered the correct piece. It won't be here till Tuesday, but it's better. It's better that we do it right, or at least, you know, I tried to do it with what I could find at the store, but it's not gonna work. It's gonna leak. So we'll do it right. So that stuff will be here soon, but until then, we'll see if it leaks. If it doesn't, then I have the right connector for another barrel, which is, I'm gonna need that anyway, so win-win. Well, she's not leaking, so I was wrong about that. But we still got the proper fitting coming in. But it's pretty cool it's not leaking. Alright, it rained last night, and this sucker is full already. I can't believe it. That is so cool. So you can see it's working fine, and it's sturdy enough. But because there's no grommet on the outside here that is keeping it from going in, it's pretty flimsy. So that's why we need the new thing that I ordered, the new hose bib part. As you can see, it's a little loose, but it works. And she's full, man. That's cool. All right, guys, that's it for this episode, and we will see you in the next one, where we will continue to work on the rain barrel. We'll put the new fitting on, and we will throw some gutters on our chicken coop and put another rain barrel over there. If you liked the video, like down below, comment, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.